All right, y'all, we are halfway through our workout. We're working out chest and we're working out shoulders today, but it's our morning meeting at 7 o'clock in the morning. We got our crew over here. We got Corey, we got Dylan. Right now, today's lesson, we're going through all their stats. I'm gonna help them calculate their macronutrient goals and then help them make a meal plan that gets them those goals, and that way they have some foundation going forward. So, y'all excited? Alright, y'all, so I just got done getting all the clients, not clients, but employees macros done. This is kind of what we got them started at here. So, Corey, we're going to have him at 210 grams of fat, 110 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbs. Dylan, we're going to have at 275, 150, and 15. And Kayla came in, and we're going to have her at 155 fat, 75 protein, and 15 grams of carbs. And again, this is just going to be kind of like a little baseline to see how their body responds to it, and then we'll adjust as needed based off of their feedback. So, kind of cool. It's cool. These Zevia boxes are so incredibly hard to get into. Alright, y'all. My SD card filled up and ran out of room in the middle of my last sentence with regard to the clients or my employees' macros. But we got them all taken care of. They all have macros. Today's gotten away from me, to be honest with y'all. We had just a whole bunch of computer work to do. I had like all my emails I had to get through, and then the keto brick production kind of got delayed for variable different reasons. A lot of just stuff going on, and they weren't going to finish packaging all the bricks that they had to package today before the time ran out. So Crystal and I had to stop doing what we were doing on the computer, go out there and package a bunch of bricks, which was good. I actually enjoyed it, but we didn't really have time for that. We didn't budget time for that because we're having to leave to go to Ohio tonight for Jessica Ty's keto cabin conference that I'll be speaking at. So it's now about 7 o'clock p.m. I have a ton of stuff to do still on the computer. I've got to work on a podcast. I've got to work on my clients. I've got a lot of stuff to do before we can hit the road. So it's going to be one of those no sleep nights for us. But that is why I'm drinking an energy drink. Grapefruit is my favorite, by the way. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all, just got done with most of my emails. I'm about to start packing for this trip now. I said in yesterday's vlog, I was asking about color options for a piece of gym equipment I'm going to probably get. So let me go ahead and show you what we got going on there. Let me show it. So this is the piece of gym equipment I'm looking at. It is a combo jungle gym. It's got basically, full-blown cable crossover. It's got a spot for your quad extensions and hamstring curls. It's got that little bench spot there. I don't know if you can adjust it to do a shoulder press or not. It's also got a place to do lat pull downs and a cable row. And it's also got like that bicep tricep spot. So I'm excited about that. It is not cheap, but I'm hoping that it pays for itself, because with that I'll pretty much have everything I need to have a full-blown complete gym with cables and whatnot, and I'll be fully efficient here at the compound. You excited about that, Crystal?
What?
The gym?
Yeah.
You almost ready to pack up and go?
This is my client, and I'll look.
Ready to go?
Almost. I got a few more things to do.
Love you.
Love you.
Alright, we are packing up now. Got some of the necessities: tripod, laptop, camera lens, obviously the camera that I'm holding right now. Microphone, I'm not sure if we're going to be doing any recording while we're there, but I wanted to get a lot of my basics in case I wanted to get more content. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have not yet packed yet completely. It is 10 p.m. I am cutting up steaks to do like a stir-fry type deal, and this is going to be my meal for tomorrow. So, a little 10 p.m. cooking action. We're probably not going to do a Keto Savage Kitchen episode this week because we are going to be MIA traveling, but hopefully we'll get some good content for you nonetheless.
In case you guys were wondering, Robert's burning that pan right now.
Yes, I am burning that pan now. I like my pan seared. My pan's well done. Alright, I'm sure I'm going to get some haters for this. People saying I'm just ruining a perfectly good steak. But in my opinion, a warmed up steak just does not taste very good like a second-day-old steak. So I've sliced these up into pieces, as you can see here. And then I'm actually going to put some of this Primal Kitchen ketchup on there so that when I heat it up tomorrow, it's going to have a little bit more flavor, and it's just not going to have that like reheated steak taste. Like it's going to have a little bit other flavor going on there. So that's what I'm going to do for tomorrow's meals.
Tea Americanos with extra steamed heavy cream.
Yeah. What else for you?
That'll do it.
7.18. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
Did you get some coffee, baby?
Yes, getting coffee. We definitely need coffee. We're gonna try and make it a few nights tonight. A few hours tonight. I think we already need sleep.
Yes. It's gonna be a long night, y'all. Why it is like super freaky, scary, darky in here.
Darky?
Anyway, did I say darky?
Super freaky, scary darky.
Super dark.
Robert is such a gentleman that he's sitting in the van while I'm out here freezing my butt off, getting us some gas. Stupid. This dang gas thing is going super slow, so we're going to go to a different gas station because it doesn't work.
Alright, y'all. We just rolled up to a Candlewood Sweets. Crystal is freezing cold,
It's freezing.
but we are gonna crash. It's 1:30 in the morning, right?
Yep.
Let's do it. Tired?
Yes.
Yes. We are very tired. We checked out the fitness center though. They had treadmills, and that's about it. Let's check out our room. Hey, we have a kitchen.
Oh man, this is actually nice. It's so dark in here.
Turn some lights on.
This is actually like really nice little place. Wish we were staying here longer.
Yes, we got a nice little kitchenette area. King size bed, big old desk. I'm digging the big old desk.
Big old desk.
Bathroom. Shower. I like it. I like it. Alright, y'all. So we're going to bed. Like I said, it's 1:30 in the morning. Just got settled in our hotel room. I'm about to eat a keto brick. This is cookies and cream flavor. Cookies and cream crunch. We're going to wake up early enough to go to the gym and then hit the road and drive for another 7 hours before we get to Loveland, Ohio. We're speaking at a conference. Jessica Ty's got a conference going on. Keto at the Cabin, is that what it's called? Mm-hmm. Keto at the Cabin. Not really exactly sure what we're going to be talking about yet. We hadn't got that far. But there's a couple gyms in this neighborhood here. We're in Memphis. We're outside Memphis. Where are we?
I have no idea.
We don't know where we are. But there's gyms here, and that's all that matters. So we're going to wake up, train, hit the road, get ready.